Right, Erin's going to swim a length as fast as she can. On your marks, get set, go! With your hands. You never used your hands.
What?
You haven't used your hands. Hey, swim back. Using your hands this time. On your marks, get set, go. Use your hands. That's better.
BTW, that's my dad.
Charlie's enjoying the sun.
Say hi. Say hi. Wait, stay on.
Why?
Don't leave me. I'm going to duck down to these rings. Can I show you the red one?
Yeah, I can see them.
Right there. Just show
I can see them.
Right. I'm going to dive down.
Right, get them then.
Okay, right. Put them in.
1, 2, 3, go. And she got the 5. Well done, Erin.
Oh, jeez.
Well done.
Man! What?
Well done.